because you know there's a copy somewhere safe. Faith works the same way. Well, if my day crashes, diba? Hindi yung crash mo, but crashes. Wala akong crashes by the way, so yeah, had a lot of crashes in my hard drive. Anyway, corny. Anyway, so I can reboot. So if my day crashes, I can reboot because I've already stored my joy, my hope, my perspective in something more permanent than my own emotions. I've learned skipping this ease backups is not all. Next week, I'm too busy to pray, and I'll just read one verse tomorrow. I'll just read one chapter tomorrow. Then suddenly, my spiritual hard drive is cluttered. Junk data. Now, what is this junk data that I've been feeding in? And my antivirus, also known as AKA discernment, is out of date. Now, you ever open your laptop? Diba? Okay. You ever open your laptop and get that your system is not backed up in X number of days warning? Well, I feel like God sends me this as well, except it's less of a pop up and more of a nudge in my spirit. Like this. Kung may konting kurot, kinukurot ka ni God sa ano mo, sa reminder mo. Like, hey, you're drifting. Di ba? You're drifting. Sync back up. Like that. Hindi naman ganun yung reminder ni Lord. But something like a tap on my shoulder lang at some point. So yeah, I remember during one crazy event week, like if you go back way back in college, I used to be part of a video editing team, like school fiesta, right? Timing pa naman August. So August yung fiesta. Like you do a lot of shoots, do have a lot of events to cover, and then love a lot per event. There is an after video or a 1 day single day edit of those videos and stuff. Like yo, I barely slept. I barely ate right. Like I didn't realize until later na I had not done my faith backup in 4 days. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy yun eh. Like, because by day 5, diba, I was running on fumes. Not because I wasn't working hard, but because I wasn't plugged into my real power source. Yeah, and man, the moment I sync back up, it's like a cloud clear. Like someone restored my system from clean image. Daily backups are small, but they don't take long. But they save you from catastrophic risks. For me, that's 15 minutes in the Word, 10 minutes journaling, some quiet worship in the background. That's my schedule backup. Every morning before the noise hits.